Hi guys, it's me again, Senior Pablo, and welcome to another Eme Vlog. At ngayon ng umaga ay angkas na lang ako, ay move it pala, papasok ng school. As you can see, wala namang traffic. Of course, research presentation pa din. This time, humanities naman ang nagpe-present, as you can see on the screen.
Gusto po namin sa study na to, malaman.
Nakakatuwa talagang manood ng research presentation ng mga humans kasi halatang may conviction yung mga pinagsasabi nila palagi. At medyo nagigisa na nga sila bandang part na to. Shoutout pala kay Renz na may sakit pa during their presentation. Talon na tayo sa mga STEM students. As you can see, about global warming naman ang pinapresent ng section na ito. Medyo pala hindi ako naging active this past few days kasi aside from busy schedule, medyo masama din yung pakiramdam natin. Ako lang pala. Now presenting yung grupo ni Wiljen. FYI, si Wiljen yung laging nagtatop 1 sa basic calculus quizzes namin. After nito, babalik ulit tayo sa Humanities and Social Sciences 202.
So, before we proceed,
Kaunting tips lang pa rin nakuha ko sa kanila. Then balik tayo sa STEM 204. Ayan. The other day na ito, konti lang mga vids lang pa rin nakuha ko dahil di nga maganda yung pakiramdam natin. Ito si Felix, very genius na bata. So, they will gonna compute the biomass ba ito? Ng upper ground tsaka lower ground.
Let's talk about our title first. Below ground biomass and carbon sequestration assessment in La Mesa Eco Park. Now,
Ang naging suggestion lang ng panelists dito is masyadong malayo yung kanilang lokal. So, they will gonna modify. Then, we suggested na why not BGC na lang para hindi na sila mag-travel going to La Mesa Eco Park.
And since we are only student researchers and we don't want to harm the planet,
Almost an hour din sila nag-present. Now, let's proceed to the second group. Grupo ni Paul. Ito naman, math naman yung naging topic nila. Well, gaya ng other groups, approved naman. Then ito si group number 3. Almost same context with group number 1, biomass din. Pero ang focus lang nila is upper ground. Magkakwadrat sila sa isang park sa BGC. Ito ang group nila. Sam, ito ata yung until now wala pang title. Ito rejected kasi medyo pang entrepreneurship yung magiging output nila. So this year we want something innovative and new.
Lime calcium mixed with silicon and aluminum. The lime is obtained from a raw material.
Or is it
And now presenting Mr. Cleofe.
They're being explored for eco-friendly solution. But imagine walking through BGC where tiles or walls are made out of. It is not good looking.
Let's move on.
Next na tayo sa STEM 203 afternoon batch naman. So ayan, nagpe-pray ata yung
about the topic
Ano lang.
groupness, ano? And
Ito, teaching strategy
really an effective strategy.
headed by Carl.
That according
Yan,
to
go
our
Carl.
sources, Roma et al. 2023, it proves there that the effectiveness of this teaching strategy is truly exceptional. That in their study about
In this study, their design is quasi-experimental.
GeoGebra, improving students' critical thinking and mathematical analysis, it showed a positive outcome regarding this said strategy. It showed that 77.8% of those educators found that their students are generally weak in basic
For this school year, one of the
which
best
means that
presenters
the students are not
group na
motivated
ito.
enough to take the course of the subject. And also, there's 66.7% of the educators find their students to not visualize the various calculus concepts, which leads them to not understand or grasp the concepts that is inside the subject pre-calculus. And lastly, there is 55.6
In the grade 11, since yung mga lessons po nito is naturo na po ng junior high school. And in 66.7%, student can visualize the various calculus concepts, so they're having trouble with understanding po. But actually, those data po is from the evaluation of the feedbacks of the teachers po. from their students. And in 54
Alright, tapos na sila mag-present niyan. And ito na recommendations and verdict for this group.
lesson to
Anong yung pinaka-output? Sige.
like, isa lang po, like, para siya
So, di ba, senior high school pa lang sila, pero they will come up with an lesson plan output. Pero syempre, kailangan i-modify yan through the help of our panelists. Syempre, na-approve yun. And job well done, group number 1. Let's now proceed with group number 2. Ito naman, exploring the significance of team dynamics in conducting Fragda session concerning future medical practitioners of STEM students in STI College Global City.
Here we have the overview of Title 1.
Presenting ngayon si Kit. Go, Kit.
Consists
Next, go, Franz.
Biogas is a high...
Cute talaga ng mga estudyanteng sumasayaw habang nagdi-discuss at
So what we will
nag-explain.
do is to utilize materials in making it that are recyclable and readily available, such as use...
Masyado ko atang na-expose si Franz sa video na ito. Cut natin saglit. Ayan, haba-haba pala nito.
And the hose or the...
And finally, ayan, patapos na siya. Next group tayo. Eto, commercial muna tayo kay Jumo.
Upang makatulong din po sa kasi naghihirap na din po kasi yung Pilipinas. Tapos para makatipid po tayo sa mga gastusin.
Ayan, thank you, Jumong. Sana ikaunlad natin yan. Next. Culinary arts na tayo. Bandang paggabi na ito eh. So, culinary arts, ito yung isa sa TVL specialized strand ng school. Ito more on innovation ang present nila. Then, kailangan nila makapag-come up ng maganda at unique na output. So, ito yung first group. I think ang suggestion dito sa group na ito ay made of banana peel, gagawa sila ng coffee. Pero kailangan nilang i-innovate yun.
Paano siya naging?
Ayan, this group, sorry, naka-landscape ulit. Group of Richard. And they are thinking kung ano isasagot sa panelist na.
Para po sa mga diabetic people na gusto rin po makakain ng mga...
So, ang target talaga nila is yung may diabetic people. Pero tinanggal na namin yun para maging available siya sa lahat. Kailangan nilang gawan ng paraan para
sugar content niya. Tapos yung in-aim po namin, makakain po yung
tangkilikin siya ng mga tao sa market.
Something sweet po na hindi po ganun kataas yung sugar content. Ayun lang po yun.
Yeah.
Yes, so back to you, Richard.
Pero hindi ko sila sa diabetes.
And defended naman tong group na to. So, naka-landscape lang. Proceed naman tayo sa other group. Wala na palang other group. Tapos na. Ayan, sila ulit. The other day na ito. So, laboratory na lang sila. And pag uwi ko ng bahay, ayan, may nadatnan ako mga bisita sa ating kapatid.
Mga lasing, amoy na amoy.
Hindi ako lasing.
After ng kanilang class,
Nagtago,
dumiretso sila sa bahay. And this is now STEM 205. So maganda din yung mga magiging research ng STEM 205, mga pinaghandaan nila. Namiss ako dito yung gagawa sila ng pad. Kalimutan ko yung tawag doon. Basta kaya niyang i-absorb yung heat na nagpo-produce ng laptop. Tama ba? Basta yun. And that's all for today. See you on my next mini MA vlog. Thank you for the support. Bye-bye!